Do you often feel like you're drowning in a sea of colleagues, scrolling through endless lists of names, making it difficult to find the person you need? Do not let it get you down. OnTime Smart features makes it easy for you to select and organize your colleagues, leaving you free to focus on what really matters, your work. In your OnTime calendar, you can just start typing your colleague's name and press Enter and then spacebar. Then it automatically finds and selects the person you need. To get a better overview, use the Show Selected button, which will isolate the colleagues you have chosen. And now you can choose to create an event, a poll, where your invitees can vote what time fits them the best, or even a group with your chosen colleagues. You can learn much more about polls, events, and groups in our tutorial videos. Stay ahead of the game with OnTime. Keep an eye out for more tips and tricks coming your way.